Stop loss is under 11 here. Gonna see if I can get a little bit of juice off this 15 hold. And circle is gonna be my next watch. Honestly, I might take off. I'm gonna reduce. I think I want to watch circle more. Let's keep an eye on circle. 225 retest. That's a reclaim ripper on circle. That's good. Okay, I'm gonna take some profits on SPX. Perfect pop there, taking some profits. Moving over to circle. Looking for a 225 retest, but a good first pop on that ES there. Good profit there. That was 16% quickly. Now circle's on watch. I'll ride some SPX here. I'll just let that sort of sit in the background. Yeah, I'm gonna let that sit in the background. SPX longs. Looks good. There we go. Nice. Nice. Okay. Great first start. Great first trade. Honestly, considering just taking it off and running, but let's see if we can get a little juicer here. Let's try to run this a little bit. Stop loss is now under 15. Moving that stop up to 15. I don't want to see it back under 15. Good start. Yeah, arms bouncing a little bit. SMH bounce held. Oracle, man, all day. Oracle all day. Look at that thing. Oracle sexy. Watch this 225 pullback on circle. I might take circle light if I see a hold there. I don't want to ruin my SPX win though, so I don't want to get size on that. Because circle might still have some games in it today. You got to know that circle's probably a game player. It's not gonna. I don't think it's gonna be as smooth as you want it to be. All right, I'll take circle light there. Long circle. Stop under 225. She's gonna play games, so I'm scaling down on that big time. I only got 10 contracts on that thing. I don't wanna play games with circle too much. I'll just ride. I think it's better to scale down and trust rather than try to be heavy sized. I'm in the 225s. It might stop me out instantly. I know this thing's gonna play games. This is not gonna be an easy trade. The SPX is definitely an easier setup. Looking great. Circle is just it's the reason it's going to be tough is because circle is very heavily washed right now. There's going to be a lot of players, big boys, playing that. So there might be some games played on that thing. Nvidia, unbelievable pullback long. Unbelievable pullback long. Unbelievable pullback long. Again. Oh my god. Yeah, APP is getting a lot of volume here. APP is getting a lot of volume here. A lot. I might be looking for that. A lot of volume in APP. Nvidia, unreal. 171. Anyone take it? Holy shit. That is insane. Unbelievable on NVIDIA, man. What a stock. What a stock. All right. Great day on the SPX, man. Beautiful. Up 25% on that 63.15 hold. Looking really good. Oklo looking good off 65. Everything looks fucking beautiful right now, honestly. But let's keep locking up profits as we get it. Let's not get complacent here. Circle's looking good. There it goes. Nice. Unbelievable NVIDIA candle. One for the books. Look at that off 171. That is unbelievable. Jeez. I'm in the Fridays on Circle, just looking to scalp it today. It's up around 7% right now. Arm's bouncing back. I mean, everything looks pretty hot right now, my friends. Oh, Oracle. Oh my God, Oracle. I don't think there was an entry on that, though. Was there an entry there? No, right? I mean, I didn't see an entry there. I mean, you just had the long 240, I guess. Jeez, man. What a push. Alright, I'm going to take the rest of my SPX off if we break 15. That's the level I want to see hold here. If that gets hit, I'll get out and I'll take my dub. This is actually a good pullback though on ES. I would stay comfortable right now. You want to see this hold. This is not a bad pullback into 15. Let's see if this holds. Oh my God, Oracle. Yeah, what a move. Circle looking good. Circle contracts are shit. Damn, Circle contracts are. It's the IV, like ADR said. Circle contracts. I mean, up 10% now, not bad. I'd expect more. That's a $4 move to get 10%. That's pretty crazy. Yeah, IV's high. As expected. But really happy we caught that. Beautiful. I still think you watch this ES pullback here. I think this pullback is fine. Little fair value gap again right here. This little low volume. It's filling this low volume node right here. Right between this area, you have a fair value gap. Not to throw out fancy ICT concepts at you, but that is true. It's that little area right here. Oracle trade of the day. Oracle trade of the day. Ooh. APP just pulled back to 360. Let's watch that APP 360 spot here. ARM is going right back up. Damn. Nice 20 SMA sort of test near it. Got close to it. Oracle trade of the day. That thing is absolutely gone. I'm going to scale some off Circle here. I've accepted I'm not going to make that a big trade today. Just going to take some wind off there. Be smart. Taking half off up to 15%. It's a good win. Arm vertically back higher. What a pullback opportunity on the semis again. Exact same thing the last 3 days. Semiconductor panic attack to start the day, buying opportunity every time. Yeah, looking for this ES to still hold this pullback, man. This is where we got to stay patient. It's still good. 63.15. Let's see if we can hold it. If not, we'll take it and win. Take it and run for now. 63.15 area right here. So far, a fine pullback. It's definitely interesting here, Los. Yes, you want it. I don't think you want to enter yet. I'm just in some runners, so I'm comfortable holding. I would wait to see if this 63.15 can pop here. Look to see if this 63.15 can pop a little bit. Like right here. Look for these. Look how this can. Okay. Yeah, this could be your entry right here. Stop loss under 15. You're risking 4 points here. Starting to show something here. 15. You want to see that try to hold. It's definitely an interesting pullback. Circle. There it goes. Nice. Oh, there it goes. Oh, yeah. There we go. Boom, baby. We caught it. Didn't catch it with the same size I'd want to, but we caught it. And that's all I care about. All I care about is if I got a piece. Give me just one piece, I'll feel better about it. There we go. 225 reclaim. That was our thought process. It was to look for the reclaim ripper at 225. Boom. Lovely. There's your long on ES setting up here still, I think. I'd still be, yeah, I mean, this is it. I'd say you got to be in now, if ever. Stop loss under 15. Stop loss has got to be under 15. Oracle is unfucking believable. Sorry for cursing, but I have to curse. That is awesome. Oh my god. Congratulations to Oracle, people. My god. Someone said in the chat, Oracle might be the one today. Who was that? I saw someone say it. Someone said it. Alright guys, I might take a little, do I want to get a little dancy here? Do I want to take a little juicer on APP off 360? I mean, I'm up a lot of money right now, so I might take a little bit of risk here. APP 360 started calling my name. It's calling my name a little bit. I'm just going to ride SPX, man. This looks great. This looks great. Stop loss under 15. I'm riding out. Riding out to 35. Might be some bumps in the road along the way, but I think eventually you get 35. I think you get ES highs. APP off 360 looking pretty good. APP off 360 looking pretty good. Come on, ES. Give me one more pop candle here. Give me the rip. Give me the rip. Break and retest off these highs looks incredible right now. Just need that continuation. It can, you know, just need one more continuation candle. Stalling a little bit more than I'd like, but gotta trust it. Oh, Coinbase off 400. Nice. Nice job, Tay. Hell yeah, man. Come on, give us one little popper here. For the boys and girls, just one little candle pop. Seems to be stalling a tad. Looks good though. Everything looks strong. Circle, there we go. 32% circle. There it is. Boom. Okay. Got a little bit stalled up there on the ES. You're getting close to the Q's highs, so a little bit concerning there. You could scale off if you're a little bit concerned of a drop here off this Q's supply, but I've already taken profits into this initial pop, so I'm comfortable for now. Circle's going. Hell yeah. 225 reclaim ripper on circle money. Hell yeah. That's like a, it's like a 5-to-1 right now on circle. Nice job, Nelson. Way to go, brother. Keep crushing it, man. I'm going to scale off some more circle here. Take some more profits into that pop right there. Why not? Hold a runner. See what she can do. Basically just risk-free runner now. See if she can get crazy today. Hood. Awesome. Vertical. APP off 360 looking good. This ES looks ready to pop, man. This ES still looks ready to pop to me. Just need this. You're getting a nice little break and retest above that pre-market high here. 63.17 area right here. I'll probably move my stop up to that 17, honestly. I don't really want to see it fail that. What a blessing Circle has been the last 2 days. What a perfect trade today on that. I mean, I thought it was going to be way more difficult than that. That is too easy. I mean, I thought it was definitely going to try to fail back under 225, shake some people out, scare them out again. I mean, that thing just went right over 225. Man, huge confidence boost today. Holy shit. Needed this. Up 20K. And I still got around... I mean, I still got pretty decent size in SPX here, so... Looking for that target. If we get that target, could be close to like a $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 day if we get it. So far, so good. Up 27% on SPX, up 35% on Circle. Just need this this ES to get the juicer. I mean, it's doing everything you want it to do to stay, for that possibility to stay there. I mean, it's doing everything you want right now for that possibility to be there, for that move. Come on. Damn, hood. Insane. APP volume. 360 volume. Go. Still stalling a little bit here. Nice brain. Hunter, you got hood? Hell yeah, dude. Did it give you a nice retest hold over the highs? Yeah, not bad around that 955 candle. ES looks like it might try to make it dirty a little bit. Yeah, ES might be a little dirty. Would have loved just the continuation move there, but it looks like it might want to make it a little bit dirtier than I'd like. Let's see. Be nice and clean for us here. Come on. Okay, I like that. I like that. I like that a lot. As long as it's above this 15, 17 zone, it's good. Come on. Trust it. Trust it. Trust it. I'm not sure. Yeah, 429 I think was that next level on coin. Whatever that IPO high is, but it's, I mean, there's a huge target there. What is it at? I mean, it's just gone. Holy shit. Coinbase is awesome. Come on now, ES. You're doing exactly what you need to do to go higher, man. Can't think of a better consolidation above this high to get that move. Only problem we have here is the NASDAQ high at the 50, at the 560. But looks all right. Apple's dragging the NASDAQ down. I mean, what is Apple doing? Apple needs to come out with some crazy something needs to come. Their next earnings better be good. They have to do something, man. They got to innovate something. This is a day, again, what we talked about on the live stream and in the mentorship session last night. Trade the hot hand. You have to stay with the hot hand in this market. You can't. You got to trade the semis. You got to trade the bitcoins, the AIs, the energies. You got to, like, these. For some reason, the large cap tech, like the Apples, the Amazons, the Metas, they suck. They suck. Just the money's not there right now on those names. Circle, 43%. Boom, baby. Thank God I took that. Thank God I took that, man. Beautiful. Come on, yes. Anyone take APP off 360? Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Absolutely perfect. Look at that. Break and retest 360. Could not ask for a better move there. You couldn't ask for a better move on that. I mean, one squeeze for us, ES. Just one little squeezer for us right here. Right up to 627 SPY. Just not doing it. But let's stay patient. Wow. Coinbase. Oh my God. That's the trade of the day. That's the 400 break. That's the one. Huh. Damn. You uncoin him here? ES might not do it for me, huh? That's crazy. I guess I'm not going to get my next leg that I want. Maybe. I mean, it's still above, but I would have expected it to go by now. You're getting some pretty decent juice on some equities. I'd expect it to be going. Still good. Still trusting it, but not a big fan of that fail up there. Okay. Still good. Yeah, Palantir gone. Everything gone. You might get your little drop and pop off VWAP here. You do want to see it hold this high, but it might need something deeper to feel like you might be trying to fill this area right here. Yeah, I'm gonna hold on. I'm gonna hold on. I'm gonna extend this. I'm going to extend this. You might need a little bit of something right here. I'm okay with this. Yeah. Right here. And VWAP. You break under VWAP, that's my exit. I like that. Yep. I like that still. Oh, we got another scammer? No. Who's Options Insider? Moderating the best community. Who is this? Did I do this? Options Insider Assistant. Is this the bot? Oh, that's a bot. Is that a bot? I think that's a bot. I'll try to figure out who that is. I think it might be a bot. I'm still alright with this pullback right now. Still waiting. If we break VWAP, then I'll cut it. But I'm still alright with this pullback. I think you're filling in some of this straight up move still. Still above 625 SPY. Would have loved for it to just run, but maybe it's I'd be a little bit surprised to not see that try to hold these highs still. Definitely getting a little bit more volatile than I'd like though. to be honest. Well, let's see if this 6310 VWAP can hold on here. If not, gonna have to cut it, the remainder. Okay. 625 SPY. It might just be that Q's high that's the problem today. That 560. SPY's still wicking at that 625 in previous day high. A lot of volume coming in here. Big spot. Huge spot. A little bit deeper than I wanted. Would have liked to just see 15 hold, but I'm going to give it the zone for a second. You're getting that wick off the previous day highs on SPY. Okay. Alright, so clearly needs to hold VWAP on ES. If we don't get that hold, I'm out. This is definitely the spot I need to see hold. 63.10, previous day high SPY, 625, 624.73. This could be an interesting pullback long, but it is getting a tad bit aggressive. But it is a good spot. Let's see if this can hold. Would probably want to see a reclaim over 15 though. If you can get a reclaim over 15, that would be very good. Or it's gonna fail 15 here, one or the other. Let's see if we can get back over 15 here. Circle's money. Damn, awesome. 50% circle. Alright, if we reject 15 here, it would be over. For me. Yeah, arm is perfect. Beautiful. Another semiconductor pullback along. There it goes. We might get smacked off 15 here. You're starting to see some NASDAQ heat come back in. Semis are hot again. ARM is ripping. SMH is holding. Nasdaq strong. Nasdaq very strong. Coming back very nice off VWAP Qs. Thinking it should help the ES stay true here. ARM is going vertical. Beautiful pullback today on ARM. Not going to catch that one, unfortunately, today. But great read. Great stuff there. Okay, I'm happy I'm still in this ES long. I think you just filled in this area here nicely. I would like to see this try to reclaim 15 and continue higher. Nasdaq looks good. SPY held previous day high. That's good. Staying long for now. Would like to see a nice reaction over 15 here. I don't really want to see 15 get wrecked. SPY's back over VWAP. This could be an interesting pullback long in the day. Back in the previous day high right here on SPY. But you are still against this Q's supply. That's my only concern there. You're still up against that Q's supply. Okay, good hold of 15. There we go. There we go. Great hold. Okay. Come on. Stay true. Stay true for me. Looking good still. I'd like to see us build over 15 now. But you're absolutely still holding those ES 6310 pre-market highs here. So that's a good higher low for now. That's fine. That is just fine right now. You can see that 63.15. Sorry, 63.10, higher low. Good little bear trap there. Filled that FEG, that low volume here, filled it in. I think this goes. Now we just need to see a hold above 15. Stay true. I mean, pay me for this read, man. This is a good read. Pay me for this. Come on. I'm alright with a pullback now. The best thing you could see is a pullback into 15. What you want to see now is a candle, a red candle pullback into 15 and then a wick off of 15. That's what you want. You want one of these and then one of these. Little. I mean, I'll take straight up, but you want it straight up? I mean, we'll take straight up as well, but wouldn't mind just another little wick candle off, because you don't really have a wick candle off that 15 here. Nasdaq looks very strong. SMH is holding VWAP in the previous day highs very nicely. ARM, man, I'm gonna probably lose sleep over ARM, but as long as SMH, as long as SPX pays me, I'll be fine. Yeah, I'll definitely lose sleep over arm. That's going to 160. You just can't catch them all in this market, man. You just can't. There's just too much. There's so much. Everything. I mean, it's just like you got to sort of lock in on what you like. Okay, I don't mind this candle here on ES. If this candle can pull back and hold 15, that's what I want. You can trade SPY, Jared. It's pretty much the same thing. It is the same thing. Q's right at the highs again. A little bit cautious there. Okay, here's your little red pullback candle to 15 possibly. I want to see this get bought up. Yeah, this would be perfect. If we can build a base right here. Build me a base right here. That's exactly what I want. Build me a little base over 15. Right here. Build a bear workshop. Oh, it looks good, dude. Come on. It looks good. NASDAQ strong. ES is next. It'll follow. It should at least. Datadog's getting close. Oh shit. Yeah, it is. Well, I would have wanted to see 15 hold there. Come on, quickly get back over. Yeah, not in love with that. Not in love with that there. No. Yeah. Alright. Damn. That looked great. Shit. I'm gonna have to possibly get out the rest here. Let's see if that then holds. 63.10 hold again. If no hold there, it might be that Q's high just keeping us down. Okay, another big wick off 10. Another big wick off 10. Interesting. Another 625 hold on SPY. Interesting. You got the NASDAQ holding over 23,150, which should be very good. This should be very good. Market definitely, in my eyes, is still strong here, but the ES is messing around a little bit more than I'd like. Trying to stay confident. That VWAP is, though, I think you got to stop out under VWAP, though, unfortunately. Might try to creep maybe down to the 6,300 again, if not. 6310 still good. Holding 625 still. It's still valid. I would like to see it get back over 15 very quickly here, though. And the NASDAQ is... The problem is the NASDAQ is still getting up into the supply high here. ARM is going straight up still. Sexy. Man, little bit slower than you would have wanted on the ES here, I guess. But it is still over previous day high, which does warrant patience at the moment on SPY. Previous day high. Datadog over 142. I still want to be long the ES and the SPY over previous day high here. Okay. Yeah, I mean, you're now looking at a double bottom low retest of pre-market highs, which is not that bad looking. Look at this. You're now looking at a double bottom retest of pre-market highs on the ES. So 6310 is the spot. But I need it to get going. It's just, it's not there yet. I'd like this thing to sort of get going here. Stay impatient. Yeah. Come on. This would be a great future trade right now. I mean, it feels like something I can really trust right now. I don't know why. I just feel like I have a lot of trust in this move. I don't really see a reason to not be in it. But I could be wrong. I could absolutely be wrong. The QQQ high is the one concern, I'd say. And if this 63.15 does not get going, that might be a sign as well. Right here. You really need to get over this 15 in my opinion here. Yeah, I mean, look at the 15-minute chart. Look at the 15-minute break and retest on SPY of the of the previous day highs and pre-market highs. I mean, that's pretty nice. It might just take some time to set up, but that is about as perfect as it gets there. Just got to hold that 625. Let's keep trusting this thing for now. 63.15 is the concern here. Yeah, that's the concern. Mushy, welcome back, man. $7,600 on the first day back. Love it. Yeah, you got a lot of selling here. Holy shit, at 16. Golly. Let's take... Oh, we might have just taken him out. Take him out. I don't... It's gone. It could have been a spoof, but that order's gone. The time is now, my friends. The time is now. We need some Rod XG penetration here. We need to hold over 15. Damn. More sells coming in though. 17. Wow. Some big sellers up here. Big buy bubbles too. I mean, I think we're in the right idea, man. I mean, I can't see a reason why we're not on the right idea right now. I'm targeting, yeah, like I'm really targeting like the 35s. Looking good. Come on now. Rip me. Data dog alert. Nice job, G. I mean, this should go, man. I don't see why this doesn't go. 23-2. If we can get, maybe that's the only level left here. 23-2, but you're over 560 Qs. I still like this. I can see why. Yeah, I mean, Habibi, you're right. You are right about that, Habibi. I guess there is one reason. The only man that can stop this rally. I'm very content to just watch this and enjoy my day and see if this can play for us. I think this is a very calming experience here. I'm not really interested in anything else. Just gonna let this play and see if we can get it to eventually work as we read. But 23-2, maybe a little bit of dance right here on the Nasdaq. Yeah, APP is great. Way to go. If you guys took that, love it. She's a brick house. Nasdaq getting close to the supply highs, a little bit cautious because of that. 23,200. ES lagging the move slightly, but still looks fine to me. Pullbacks on Nasdaq even to like 23,176 are good. What is that? 23,176. It's that previous high right here. Come on, TOS. APP target? Moon? I mean, no. 375, it gets heavy. I think the next move has got to be an explosion candle higher here. You're getting a nice little consolidation here. For us and what we want to see, I think you want to see the next candle to be an explosion to the highs. She's a brick house. She's mighty. This thing, it all ain't got. Come on. Come on now. Man, is it tough to get this to go. I really hope I'm not. This doesn't. I hope this doesn't just simmer out, man. That would really suck because it's such a nice setup. Break and retest above previous high a day. It's everything you want to just have a day. It's everything you want to have a day here. Maybe here. Maybe here. NASDAQ trying to hold that 75 spot. Q's trying to hold that 360. Huh. Well, looks like it's going to be a very patient trade here. We're not getting any of that immediate, gratification right now. You're just not getting the immediate gratification. I really want to get like one more of those immediate candles to sell into. I mean, still looks like the buyers are there. Candles still grinding, getting bid up. Bookmap, let's pull up Bookmap again. Bookmap, just sort of balancing out a little bit. Aviram, this is Bookmap. Did Lucid end up going today? Yeah, holding. I just gotta check the right WAP, man. WAP's not broken. It's gotta be in the right one. It's called Bookmap. What WAP are you looking at, Wingman? What's it called? What's the title of it? If you see the levels to download, that means you're on the key levels WAP. You're in the wrong one. That one I do not stream to. You need to go to the pro one. You probably have two different ones that you're looking at the wrong one. If you're having problems, you can shoot an email to us, Nick at options-insider.com. Nick, Nick. Yeah, I would like this thing to take off here, Jared. I think it's coming. NASDAQ is going good. Just trying to stay patient here. Should follow. Here we go. But I mean, would like it to like really get going. Maybe it was a NASDAQ day, but there's nothing I can do about that now. Palantir, perfect pullback to the previous day high. Oh my god. Unbelievable. Come on. Wake up for us. NASDAQ waking up. Come on, ES. A little bit of explosion. A little bit of life. Give us some life. Man, oh man. A little bit slower than I would have wanted at this point. Starting to lose patience, but the right thing is to stay patient, so trying to stick with it. Gotta stick with it here. There's really no reason to go against it. Oh, Palantir. Oh my god. Lovely. Qs are very nice today. ES is a little bit of a shitter. But she'll wake up, I think. Man. Wow. So much better on the Qs today. Damn, dude. Yeah, getting a little frustrated on that, definitely. I mean, the Qs are just doing exactly what you want it to do. Look at this 560 retest on the Qs. Golly. ES should follow. It should follow. There's really no reason it shouldn't at least give us something here, but definitely would have been better to trade the Qs, I guess. Yeah, NDX. Right? Maybe NDX next time. That's a really nice hold on ARM over to 157.50. Broadcom 280. Yeah, Jesus. What a move on that thing. Holy hell. I mean, this has gotta be warming up for something here on the ES, no? Yeah, I mean, the SPY 5 minute is incredible looking. It's absolutely perfection. Look at the SPY 5 minute. SPY 5 minute is about as pretty as it gets. Here we go. Come on, give us that breakout high a day here. Sell into that. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Yeah, 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 yeah. There it is. There's the explosion. All right. Pending explosion. The pending explosion. Love it. What a read today, man. What a read today. Holy shit, what a read today. I am very happy about today, man. I am very, very happy about this. Taking some off here on SPX. There we go, dude. Nice. 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 Nice, nice, nice. I'm going to start withdrawing. Something else I'm starting to do, my friends, is I'm withdrawing every profit over $100,000. As I approach my home build, I need to start taking money out of the market. So just know that pretty much every day I'm resetting my account to 100K. So if I ever drop below it, I'll just try to build it back to 100K. If I go above it, I'm taking it out. I'm going to start doing that. I need to start building up a nice stockpile of cash without risk. So just a heads up on that. If you ever see, you know, wondering what I'm doing today, we're going to take another withdraw. Target for ES is 35. I mean, I sold some more into this pop, but ultimate target's going to be 35 here. This is a really nice display of trading today. I'm very pleased. I feel really good about this. I needed a day like today. It's been a little bit of a time. It's a little bit of a struggle for me lately, and I've been open about that, and I'll be open about it forever. But yeah, it feels good. Look for this to hold the highs to continue. I would definitely scale some off into that pop, as I did. I think it's a good time to get rid of option contracts on a pop like that. It's always good to sell into that strength, which we did. No, I'm not still holding Apple. Thank God I'm not. I sold that last week. I still think it's a great look. Like, I have nothing against our ideas. Like, ADR saw it. I saw it. I think it was a great idea. There's just something going on with Apple that you just can't really fight right now. I bet you it's going to do nothing until earnings. And then earnings probably just, you know, have some, you know, get something going there. Honestly, it's probably just a wait until earnings move. If we can hold over this 23 high on ES, we should get the 35 target. I'd love to see the ES start to become, you know, a little bit more solid. You know, even if it can start to outperform the NASDAQ here, would be great. Like NASDAQ, if it, you know, if the NASDAQ pulls back heavy and the ES stays stable, that would be great for me. I'd be happy to see that. ARM, great retest of VWAP. What a day. What a day, just everything across the board. What an insane market we're in. I mean, this market just really drags you into 10 different directions. I think that's why, you know, I think that's part of the reason I've had a problem is because, like, every day you can look at 10 different stocks to trade, and, you know, when you miss one, you get all pissed off, and just got to lock in on something and just understand that, you know, whatever that one you're trading is what you're in, and there's 30 different things going off at the same time. But, like, I mean, there's 10 different stocks today that did the exact, just went straight up. So you can't really try to be in all of them. You just gotta be in one, really. And just lock in on it, take your money, and try to stay level-headed. Because I've been dragged in 30 different directions the last week. Like I'm looking at Circle and Oklo and all these setups. They all look so good. Which one am I going to take? I want to be in all of them. I just haven't had a good time. Like, and then I start to fail on my execution of a single one. Come on, stay above these highs for us. Don't make me have to sit through another pullback here. I really don't want to sit through another. I just want to see this go. Don't make me sit through another pullback here. Stay above this high. You might need to wick below this high because of this move. Would love to see this hold this high here. I think this will be a good, like a good recording session of reading price action. I might actually post this today, like the full thing. I just think we walked through the price action on the intraday pretty well. It could be a good lesson. Would love to see this hold this high here. I mean, there's more upside here if you can hold this high. And if the NASDAQ can stay above 23.2, you might need to sit through a little bit of a deeper pullback, but ideally you get this ES to hold this morning high here at 23. Ideally, at least. That's what you want to see here. Got some decent buying here at 23. Yeah, Microsoft is new all-time highs every day. It's wild. Come on. Hold 23 for us. Make this even more exciting. I'm not sure I have the patience to sit through another pullback, guys. So if we break this, I might just call it a day. I love when TOS doesn't let me zoom in. This is a beautiful little flag right over the high of day. This is a wild little flag. I mean, come on. Do it. Might be too clean. Honestly. It almost looks too perfect. There's so many setups, it's crazy. I know. It's just like every stock is looking great. ARM looks great. What a hold on ARM of 147, 157.50. Microsoft's up all day. Nvidia pullback longs were good. AMD sort of shit, huh? Apple starting to curl a little bit. Oklo off 65 is still sort of there. Oracle went straight up all day. SMH, what a fucking pullback long. It's really all Broadcom today, huh? I got Palantir is just riding out. Is this flag going to give us a move, or is it going to try to fake someone out? I have a feeling it's going to try to fake out first, personally. Might need to come back to like 20, 21. Mark, nice day, man. Hell yeah. One more? One more pop for us here? Uno más, por favor. Just uno más. Uno más. I like that. I like that little liquidity grab there. And it's that. I think this might be the okay. I like that little candle there. It's got to be here. Give it to me. Little grab there inside this zone. Said, oh, there's some buyers there, isn't there? Oh, maybe there is buyers there. Come on. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, why not? Oh, don't just do that. Go for me. Would have liked it to really go there. Still good. Looks incredible. No reason to sell fully here. Looks incredible. I mean, just looks absolutely textbook strategy here. Come on now. You can do it. Talk nice to it. Did IWM do its move today? Oh yeah, it sure did. Nice. Yeah, maybe too heavy here, but feels like it's still building for something, but maybe needs more. I would say it's probably going to try to search for some buying, search for some lower levels. It might be down to, it could be down to this 20 spot, filling this. The reason it's doing this is because you got this huge sort of straight up move, right? And it might need to fill some of that liquidity, add some liquidity in this straight up move here. Typically it would be back to this candle high right here. So it could be back down to like this 2075 area. That's where it might want to come down to first. $63.20.75 would be the next area. Yeah, Coinbase gave it all back, huh? I mean, a great opportunity to scale out, though. I mean, that's a sexy trade. All right, this is still looking good. You're still finding some buying there. 63.20.75. That's your, yeah, look at that. That's where your biggest buys are. So, I mean, anyone that, if you guys trade ICT, or if you understand what fair value gaps are, it is the space between this candle high right here and this candle low. All right, so between here and here, that's a fair value gap. That is the exact same thing that you saw right here, guys. Look, see this? See how the market went straight up here and had to come back down and grab that liquidity in this straight up move? See that? So look what it's doing here, right? It went straight up. It might not fully do it. It doesn't have to fully do it, but you can see. I mean, it's really a simple term. It's really just filling in straight up moves, right? You can't, like, this is not a, like this. Remember when you look at a volume profile? Volume profile here looks like this, right? It's got volume, and then it dips here, and then it picks up volume again, right? That's what this looks like. It's got the big volume here, right? The volume declines here, and then it picks up back here. And so what the market's doing is it's pulling back, picking up, filling this area. That's like Carmine's low volume node, right? And then it's going back again, right? And then it's coming down, it's filling this area, and it's going again. There we go, man. Look at this. Look at this. Go. I mean, have we fucking nailed this today? Oh my god. Have we nailed this today? More off here. Yeah, 157. I mean, yeah, I mean that's exactly right. I mean, it is it's a simple break and retest. It is. You're just it's to understand what it's doing. Sometimes it could help you if you understand what's going on, right? Why it's doing it. What is the retest? The retest is the filling of the fair value gap. That's what a retest is. It's all the same shit. It just depends on how you want to look at it. What gives you the confidence? A retest is a fill of a fair value gap, right? Because the breakout is the gap, and then the retest is filling it, right? All right, guys, I'm taking more off SPX. Honestly, I might just take it all off here. Maybe I'll just let a few run or something like that. All right, guys. I'm down into like 3 contracts on SPX. That is a hell of a day. That is a hell of a day. Very happy about it. 20,000 on SPX. Really, really like today's trade. Really like the moves today. Got some on Circle as well. Barely anything, but put basically no size in that. So looking a lot better. For the month now. One more of these days and we're back to break even on the month. One more. And we're back to break even. Timestamps? Yeah, here you go, man.